Are you looking to bypass the default OTP-based login for Shopify B2B? We've got the solution you're looking for. Shopify's email-based OTP login is simple and secure. But when it comes to real-world B2B use cases, there are some limitations. What if your entire team shares one business email account? What if users can use corporate or IDP credentials to access all connected platforms except Shopify? What if you want more control over what happens after login? These what-ifs can quickly become roadblocks. And for a growing B2B business, roadblocks can cost time, sales, and trust. That's where miniOrange comes in. We can help you bypass Shopify's default OTP login flow and replace it with secure, flexible login options built for real B2B needs. With our application, you can override email OTPs, authenticate users via existing corporate credentials, no more inbox delays or shared email issues, customize the login experience, from logos to language to layout, align your login page with your brand identity, ensure secure, authorized access with methods like custom login forms, giving merchants full control over who can access their store. Plus, our solutions are fully compatible with Shopify's latest Horizon theme. Take full control of your Shopify B2B authentication with miniOrange. Ready to learn how to streamline your login flow? Visit to know more.